I feel like I'm famous. I was at the gas station at the pump, and I guarantee you that these people must have thought that I was somebody big time, that I'm about to blow up. But hey. Alright, Team Bolo, we couldn't find anything at DG. Hit 2 or 3 of them, so we decided to go to Wally World. Team Bolo, check this out. I can't talk too loud, but I just seen something that you all have got to see. Only at Walmart will we see something like this. Now we finna go over here to Q's Cool Cups. Already, we done pulled in over here at the Wishing Well, and man, do I got a surprise for y'all today. Q's Cool Cups, spoon even turns blue, y'all. But hey, check it out. You never know. Could be me, could be you. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, well, I'll turn my camera off.